Hey, welcome back everybody. This is George at the Volo Auto Museum, and today's virtual test drive is going to be on a 1955 Ford Thunderbird. This color combination is just beautiful. It screams 1950s to me. It's an older restoration, but it's aging very nicely. Not perfect, but it is, to me, I mean, just beautiful. It's like jumping into a time capsule. Easy to get into. Start it up. Has your tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, temp, and a working clock. The radio does not work, and there's no blow or anything like that on it. It does have power seats though. You go up and down, front and back. Pretty nice feature, and it has a soft top here. Before anyone says anything, there are no seat belts in this, so I'm not forgetting to buckle up for safety. Just in 55, I don't think that was the top priority. This just feels really cool to drive. Like I said, the color combination, my sister would call it Tiffany blue, but this teal bluish green and the white, I told you, when I think of the 50s, it's just, this is one of the color combination I think of, this one and then the pink. Drives nice. I've said in previous videos I'm 5'10", 5'11", and I fit in here with pretty much ease. Not too crampy or anything. It's not tough to steer or anything. It's that bump, pulls to the left a little. Goes a little bit to the left. We'll get it to the alignment shop, see what they say. See the inside indicator working. Let's see how much giddy up this response to a Corvette from Ford was. Not a race car, but it definitely has enough power to get up. Go, go, go. Sure if people are staring solely because of the car, that I have a GoPro on my head. Probably the car. Brakes just fine. Nice turning radius. perfect to go cruising on a nice day. Thanks again for coming on this virtual test drive. Go ahead and click subscribe and then turn on notifications so you get all the updates on the videos. And then go over to volocars.com, check out all the additional specs and pricing that Jay put out here. And we look forward to seeing you again next time. Appreciate it.